Retirement, it's that shiny golden target we all aim for. But just like trying to hit a bullseye with a bow and arrow, it takes strategy, patience, and a solid plan. So how do you hit the mark and make sure your retirement success isn't just a shoot for the stars dream? Simple. You invest your portfolio the right way. All right, before you jump in, let's lay the groundwork. Retirement investing isn't about throwing your money at random options and hoping it sticks. Nope. It's about understanding the basics, the types of investments that will help your portfolio grow, protect your wealth, and provide income when you're ready to call it a day. You don't want to throw darts at your retirement unless you're aiming for fun, not financial success. Let's talk about how to build a portfolio that hits the bullseye every time. First things first, know your time horizon. How far away is retirement? 10, 20, 30 years? The longer your time horizon, the more aggressive your portfolio can. Think of it like a marathon instead of a sprint. You don't want to tire out after 100 meters. Patience is key. The further down the road you are, the more time your investments have to grow and weather any bumps along the way. So, if you're in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s, you've got time to let your money work harder. Now, let's talk about the golden rule of investing, diversification. The idea is simple. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If one egg cracks, you don't want your entire portfolio to go down with it. Think about it. If you only invested in one asset class, say stocks, you'd be on an emotional roller coaster every time the market hiccups. But when you diversify across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash, you smooth out the ride. It's like mixing vanilla and chocolate. Both are great on their own, but together, delicious. Let's talk about stocks. Stocks are your growth engine. They're what will really drive your portfolio forward, especially if you have a long time horizon. Stocks can deliver some of the highest returns over the long term, but they can also be a bit of a roller coaster ride in the short term. Imagine stocks as the rocket fuel for your retirement. Buckle up, there's going to be a lot of turbulence. But if you stick with it, that rocket's going to reach new heights. Just remember, don't panic when the turbulence hits. Next, let's talk about bonds. Bonds are the steady sidekick to your stock rocket. While stocks are flying at breakneck speeds, bonds are hanging out, providing stability and lower risk. Bonds offer fixed returns over a set period, making them a great way to balance the ups and downs of the stock market. Bonds are like that dependable friend who always shows up to dinner on time. They may not be as exciting as stocks, but they'll make sure you're not scrambling when the market decides to go haywire. Now let's talk about real estate. Investing in property is another way to build long-term wealth. Real estate tends to appreciate over time, and if you rent it out, you can create a steady stream of passive income. Real estate is like that cool, old, reliable friend who always brings something useful to the table. You know they're going to provide stability and that extra something over the long run. Plus, who doesn't like getting paid to own stuff? Cash. Everyone's favorite emergency fund superhero. While you don't want to hold too much cash, inflation loves to eat it up. You do need enough on hand to handle life's curveballs. Think of cash as the hero who saves the day when things go wrong. Imagine your emergency fund as your personal financial Batman. It's there when the unexpected happens, whether it's a surprise car repair or a market downturn. But don't let cash just sit there. It's a hero, not a slacker. Now that you've got the right mix, it's time to talk about rebalancing. This means adjusting your portfolio periodically to make sure you're still on track with your goals. If stocks have taken off and now make up too much of your portfolio, you might need to sell some and buy more bonds to maintain your balance. Think of it like walking a tightrope. You don't want to be too risky, but you don't want to be too safe either. Every so often, you've got to adjust to keep your balance and make sure you're not falling off the financial cliff. Tax efficiency is key to maximizing your retirement success. Certain investments like Roth IRAs or tax-deferred accounts can help you keep more of what you earn and delay taxes until later when you might be in a lower tax bracket. Think of tax efficiency like wearing SPF 100 when you go outside. It's going to save you from the burn down the road. Finally, patience. The most important ingredient for retirement success. You can have the best investments, the smartest strategies, but if you don't stay the course, you might miss out on the rewards of long-term growth. Patience is the key. Don't panic when the market dips. Remember, trees take years to grow. Your portfolio's no different. And there you have it. How to invest your portfolio to maximize retirement success. Start early, diversify, be patient, and stay tax efficient. Follow these steps and you'll be hitting the retirement bullseye in no time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that subscribe button and keep your eyes on the retirement prize. Until next time, happy investing.